Hello guys, this is Alex. In this video we're going to install a four-way, seven-way trailer plug, and we're going to use an adapter to connect it to the existing lights, brakes and running lights. This adapter, we got it from China. It was sold on Amazon. It came from China, so took a couple of weeks to get it. And this one also we bought on Amazon. And pretty simple process. Just all you need is a test light, quick connects, and some common sense. Pretty simple process. And also you can find a diagram for the colors where it connects on Google. So Google plus some common sense and a few tools, it can be done. Alright guys, next thing you do is after you pull the wire through the hole, you connect the yellow to the left turn. It's a red and black wire on the left side, and on the right side you connect the green wire to the also green. It's a red and white. It's a right turn. Guys, next thing you do is you connect the brown wire to the pink wire, which are your running lights. And this is a older model Nissan, so the stop lights are separate from the running lights. I think in newer vehicles they're interconnected. So what I did in this case is I found my stop lights, which is this yellow wire, and I threw a wire, red wire, put it through the hole, and it's gonna go to the a yellow wire on the adapter, which is just a spare wire. And right here yellow wire, and from this yellow wire I threw a red short wire to this one, which is the green wire from the adapter, and I threw it over here. That's the only way the running lights work and the stop lights work. So it's just a short wire right here connecting the running lights, putting them over here with stop lights, putting them together with the running lights, and looks like everything works. And also the white wire, I just got a self-drilling screw and drilled it into this metal. So that's how you get it connected.